morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Oh, I kind of tweaked my back yesterday. Thank God I have a little bit of meds to take care of that, or at least help me out. Thank God dinner was super easy last night. Red Baron pizza. It was originally a 4-cheese, which Rob and I both love. But I added some sliced pickled jalapenos, and I topped that off with a little more cheese, some mozzarella, and some sharp cheddar. And then I added, before I put it in the oven, I did some swizzles of the Tabasco spicy sweet sauce that I showed yesterday. Oh, it was really good. I ate the whole thing. Yeah, I was full. Tonight, when I was putting this menu together for the week, I was thinking, hey, I'll do chili dogs. I love chili dogs. Then I came across this little recipe called Chili Cheese Dog Casserole. But I think I'm going to call it a Chili Cheese Dog Bake. You know me and the C word. So, it's super easy. Let's take a look. 9 by 9 baking dish. I'm using Nathan's. We like Nathan's here in the house. We slice those up and I'm going to add some red onion, some diced red bell pepper, and then it also goes in a can of chili. I'm using a no bean chili. I'm going to be adding some diced pickled jalapenos. Part of that is a little bit of chili powder. I have a whole menagerie of chili powders. This is a new one that I picked up from La Superior. This is a guajillo chili powder, a little bit of garlic powder. And what's fun is using a Jiffy corn muffin mix. You mix it up, you put half on the bottom of the pan, you fill it with all the other goodies that you kind of heat up in a skillet. And then after you get all the fillings in, you top it off with the latter half of the Jiffy corn mix that's been mixed up, and then you top it off with some cheddar cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese from Tillamook. Some of this cheese also goes into the filling. So these are all the goodies for tonight. I need a nap. How about you? So on this Saturday, here again in Northern California, Sutter County, it's supposed to be about 58 degrees at the high. That was according to Channel 3. Mr. Bob Harlan doesn't do weather reports on the weekend. He sleeps in, I think. Yeah. So on this Saturday, enjoy your day. Whatever you're going to do, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.